Hey everybody, I'm here at Universal Studios to do what's new in the park. It's going to be a new segment where I check up on theme parks to see what they are working on and what construction is going on. So let's go see what's going on inside Universal Studios. This restaurant has not opened yet, but it's scheduled to open very soon. But the Karl Strauss above is still open. But we're still waiting for this one to open up. And this is the construction for the Life of Pets. Right now, this is the current status of it. It's been recently announced because of the new movie coming out. I'm not sure when it's scheduled to come out, but yeah, this ride just got recently announced, so looks like a lot of work is being done right now. The helicopter is gone from The Walking Dead. It used to hang above the perch of the entrance of The Walking Dead, but it is gone because of the new construction that's going on, the Life of Pets, right over here. And now the pathway is completely open, where before it was completely blocked out. So can't really see what's going on, just a big screen right now. And here's another angle for the Life of Pets. From this angle, seems like it's going to be a big show attraction. It's going to be located right across Despicable Me ride. How are you?
Excellent. How are you today?
Good, good.
Is this a video?
It's a video, yeah.
Folks at home.
Folks at home,
you
yeah.
did not come see me in person.
I know.
I want you to look out your window after midnight. You will see me.
And here's the new mural for the Jurassic World ride. It looks pretty awesome. See a lot of construction going on over here. There's a lot of still walls, and you see the archway kind of over there. It's been taken down. I don't know if there's still going to be an archway, but it looks like there's new rock work being done as well. Can't wait for this to open. These new nets right in the exit towards the studio tram. I believe they're part of the dark arts because they have drones, so in case a drone were to fall, I think these were capturing it. I'm not too sure. Alright, so one of the reasons why I'm here at Universal Studios today is because I'm here to see the dark arts show. But that unfortunately doesn't start until 9, so it's about 6, so I have some time to kill here. I'm gonna see what else I can find to do. And Dark Arts show is going to be a separate video from this one, so in case people wanted to watch the video, they're able to go straight to it.